What makes you, you? Is it the way you smile, the memories you cherish, or the dreams you hold close? At the heart of it all, our sense of self is shaped by the unique blend of experiences, emotions, and connections that define our lives. It's your memories, your thoughts, your connections, the laughter shared with friends, the stories passed down through generations, and the bonds that tie us to those we love. These are the threads that weave the fabric of who we are. Now imagine those slipping away. Every 3 seconds someone develops dementia. That's a staggering reality affecting millions of families around the world. And it's happening more often than we might realize. This isn't a distant problem. It's a challenge facing more families every day. The impact of cognitive decline reaches far beyond the individual, touching everyone who cares for them. Are we doing enough to protect our most vital organ, our brain? We often take brain health for granted, only paying attention when warning signs appear. The fear of losing our cognitive function strikes at the core of our identity. It's a fear that can keep us up at night, wondering if we'll remember the faces of loved ones or the stories that make us who we are. We focus on our bodies, but often neglect our brains until it's too late. We track our steps, count calories, and work to stay physically fit, but how often do we think about exercising our minds? The good news? Our understanding of brain health is evolving. Science is uncovering new ways to keep our minds sharp and resilient even as we age. The brain is dynamic, shaped by our daily choices, what we eat, how we move, how we think. Every day presents an opportunity to nurture and protect our cognitive health. Protecting brain health is an investment in our independence and relationships. It allows us to continue making memories, sharing laughter, and living life to the fullest. Just as we save for retirement, we can build a cognitive reserve to help our brains withstand aging. This reserve acts as a buffer, helping us stay mentally agile and independent for longer. The time to start is now, not when symptoms appear. Every positive step we take today can make a difference for our future selves. Among the most promising tools, specific nutrients, vitamins, and fatty acids our brains need to thrive. These building blocks support memory, focus, and overall brain function, helping us stay sharp as the years go by. Let's explore how these nutrients can help us build a sharper, more resilient mind for life. Together, we can take charge of our brain health and embrace a future filled with possibility. Why focus on vitamins in the fight against Alzheimer's? This question is more crucial than ever as we seek to understand the intricate workings of the human brain. Because your brain is an energy-hungry organ, relying on a steady supply of micronutrients. These nutrients are vital for maintaining the brain's complex functions and overall health. These vitamins aren't optional, they're essential for the machinery of your mind. They play a critical role in ensuring that your brain operates at its best day in and day out. For years, research focused on treating symptoms, but now prevention is the new frontier. This shift in focus highlights the importance of proactive measures in brain health. Vitamins work at a cellular level, tackling root causes like inflammation and oxidative stress. These are key factors that can accelerate cognitive decline if left unchecked. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. Vitamins are the oil that keeps it running smoothly. Without them, the engine can falter, leading to potential breakdowns. They help brain cells communicate, protect them from damage, and ensure that the brain's intricate network remains intact and functional, and support new neural pathways. This is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive resilience. Deficiencies in key vitamins are linked to higher dementia risk. Optimal levels help preserve cognitive function. This underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients. This means we're not powerless, our choices matter. By making informed decisions about our diet and lifestyle, we can influence our brain health positively. By prioritizing nutrition, we can actively support our brain health. This proactive approach can lead to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. The right nutrients are the building blocks for a thriving mind. They provide the foundation for mental clarity, focus, and long-term cognitive well-being. Alzheimer's is projected to triple by 2050, straining families and healthcare systems. It's not just aging. Our modern lifestyle is a major factor. Sedentary habits, chronic stress, and processed diets are under scrutiny. Our brains suffer when we eat foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats and low in essential nutrients. Chronic inflammation, fueled by poor diet, is a key driver of Alzheimer's. Nutrition is central. What we eat shapes our cognitive destiny. Diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats protect brain cells. The link between lifestyle and cognitive decline is both a warning and an opportunity. By making informed choices about food, exercise, and sleep, we can build a more resilient brain. Understanding nutrition empowers us to take positive action for our cognitive future. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, folate, and B12, are crucial for brain health. They're the master electricians fueling energy production, DNA repair, and neurotransmitter creation. One key job, regulating homocysteine, a substance linked to Alzheimer's risk. B vitamins break down homocysteine, protecting blood vessels and neurons. The VitaCog trial showed high-dose B vitamins slowed brain shrinkage in older adults with mild cognitive impairment. Ensuring enough B vitamins could be a simple way to slow dementia processes. B6 is found in chickpeas and tuna, folate in leafy greens and beans, B12 in animal products. Vegans may need supplements. Prioritizing these foods fuels your brain's essential maintenance crew. Small dietary changes can make a big difference. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is vital for brain health, not just bones. Its receptors are found in key memory areas, suggesting a direct role in cognition. Vitamin D fights inflammation and oxidative stress and may help clear amyloid beta plaques linked to Alzheimer's. Studies show low vitamin D levels sharply increase dementia risk. Many people, especially in northern climates, don't get enough. Consider a supplement, especially in winter. Supporting your vitamin D levels is a simple, effective step for long-term brain health. Vitamin E is your brain's personal bodyguard, a powerful antioxidant protecting fatty brain cell membranes. The brain's high-fat content makes it vulnerable to oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and disease. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, shielding neurons from damage and supporting cell function. In Alzheimer's, oxidative stress is rampant. Vitamin E helps break this cycle. Studies show high-dose vitamin E can slow functional decline in Alzheimer's patients. Best source is nuts, especially almonds. Best source is seeds. Best source is spinach. Best source is avocados. Focus on dietary sources. High-dose supplements should be discussed with a doctor. Protecting your brain from oxidative stress is vital for long-term health. A diet rich in vitamin E is a safe, effective way to support your mind. Not all fats are bad. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, are essential for your brain. DHA is a major building block of the cerebral cortex, vital for memory and higher thinking. Omega-3s keep brain cell membranes fluid, supporting fast, efficient communication. They also fight inflammation, a key factor in brain aging. Studies link higher omega-3 intake, especially from oily fish, to lower dementia risk. Aim for 2 portions of oily fish weekly. Plant-based eaters can use flax seeds, chia, walnuts, or algae-based supplements. Lifelong omega-3 intake builds a resilient brain. Invest in your brain's infrastructure with these essential fats. The real magic for brain health happens when nutrients work together in harmony, especially B vitamins and omega-3s. When these two are combined, research shows their effects are far greater than when taken alone, offering amplified protection against cognitive decline and memory loss as we age. For example, in the groundbreaking Oxford VitaCog study, scientists discovered that B vitamins could slow brain shrinkage, but only in people who already had good levels of omega-3s in their system. This means that these nutrients depend on each other to work at their best. B vitamins help clear away harmful homocysteine, a compound linked to brain aging and damage, while omega-3s, especially DHA, are essential for rebuilding and maintaining the structure of brain cells, keeping them flexible and healthy. Think of it as a construction project for your brain. You need both the site managers, B vitamins, to coordinate the work, and the building materials, omega-3s, to actually build and repair the brain's structure. This powerful synergy highlights why a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is so important, not just relying on single supplements or isolated nutrients. Foods like leafy greens, which are packed with B vitamins, beans, lentils, oily fish such as salmon and sardines, nuts and seeds, all form the foundation of this brain-boosting approach. This way of eating closely mirrors the Mediterranean diet, which has long been linked to better brain health, sharper memory, and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. The B vitamin and omega-3 power couple is truly one of our strongest nutritional tools in the fight against cognitive decline. So, instead of focusing on just one nutrient, remember that nutrients work best as a team. Build your brain's defense by embracing this powerful combination, and make these foods a regular part of your daily routine for lifelong brain health. We've explored the science of brain protection and the vital role of key nutrients. What you eat directly impacts your mind's health and longevity. The B vitamins, omega-3s, vitamin D, and vitamin E are your brain's best allies. A diet rich in vegetables, leafy greens, oily fish, nuts, and seeds is the best investment in your cognitive future. The message is hope and empowerment. Cognitive decline is not inevitable. Your daily choices matter. You can build a more resilient brain. Embrace delicious, wholesome foods that nourish body and mind. Now let's continue the conversation. Have you made changes to support your brain health? Share your experiences in the comments. Your story could inspire others. And if you found this helpful, explore more of our content for a sharper, healthier life.